Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix incorrect password on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, if you are trying to log into your account on Instagram and you are sure about your password and your username, then maybe there is just a problem with the internet connection or Instagram servers. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a good internet. If you are connected to a good internet, go ahead and try to log in again. And if you still can't do that, then maybe you should just clear your cache on Instagram. In order to do that, go to your settings and then scroll a little bit down until you find apps or applications. And then once you're here, you're going to find the list that includes all of your applications installed on your phone. So scroll down until you find Instagram. And then once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here in this page. Here, you're going to find all of the settings related to Instagram application. So scroll a little bit down until you find storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And then right here in the bottom, as you can see, guys, you're going to find two options, clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and then go back to Instagram and try to log in again. And this might fix your problem. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.